Selling custom products on Etsy is a huge advantage, especially going into Q4. And so today I'm gonna share with you 5 different products that you absolutely should implement at least one of these onto your Etsy shop for the remainder of the year. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Mag. I post videos talking about e-commerce, passive income, different ways to make money online. So if that interests you, I'd love to have you as a part of our community here on YouTube. Now, jumping right into this because I value your time and I know you are here to know these products, I just want to say that all these products are custom products. Now, what that means is these are going to be sourced through a process called print on demand. If you're not familiar with print on demand, it's a way of printing products and having them shipped directly to the customer from a print provider, like such as Printify, rather than creating them yourself. It's a really great business model. I have a bunch of different videos about it, which I will link for you. But we're using the process of print on demand, but to make personalized custom products to sell on Etsy. What that means is this can be a custom photo that the customer adds into a product, or a saying, a name, anything that's going to add personalization, because this does amazing on Etsy. Etsy is a platform that people come to with the intention to make a special purchase, whether that's a gift, something for their home. There is a lot of personalization that is wanted from a platform like Etsy. So being able to offer this helps you stand out, especially going into the Q4 of the year, because this is the ultimate time for online sellers. It is the time to push. It is the time to sell online, especially with all the holidays that we have coming up. And that's why these custom products are so great, because before these holidays, a lot of people are looking for gifts. So that's what the inspiration for all these products is today. So if that interests you, keep watching and let's get right into the products. The very first product is custom coasters. Printify has quite a few options for these shapes and sizes, different materials here, but custom coasters sell really well on Etsy. So I'm gonna hop over and show you what some of these sales are looking like here. So on Etsy, I'm just gonna type in custom coaster to show you what I mean here. And as you can see in the search bar here, Etsy tells us that there's people searching for weddings, sells pictures, wood, and depending on what product we want to offer on Printify and what our inspiration is, this can change depending on that. But I'm just going to do custom coasters, and I'm going to go over to my Everbee Chrome extension and hit product analytics. And then this is going to show me the revenue that these coasters are making. So when I type this in, I see a lot of wedding coasters, so maybe that's a good niche to get into. Here's a custom coaster set where they're making $3,000 a month in revenue from this. Here's another one, personalized coaster, another $3,500 a month in revenue from this. So as you can see, this product definitely has potential, but honestly, there is room for more listings here. And that's why I think it's such a great thing to get into and really niche down in, you know, sub-niching of what types of coasters and custom coasters you want to sell. So moving on to our next product is going to be custom pillowcases or pillows. So Printify offers different pillows or pillowcases. They have lots of different materials as well. I'll show you the one that I have here in just a moment, but this is a great opportunity to sell a custom product because you can keep a same design while adding in a name. So here is a pillow that I had made. This is a fall pillow. It is printed on the front and back. I have this pretty plaid pattern on the back, and then it's very simple design with graphics that were sourced from Creative Fabrica. Now here is where the potential to make this custom is. You can absolutely sell this as is, or you can offer and toggle on that personalization option and have the family's name. So welcome to our patch, and then it could say the Johnsons, or in my case, the Pelusos, right? It would be their last name, or maybe something funny, you know, really get creative with it. But this is a super great quality product. As you can see, the print is beautiful. I wish you could touch it. It's like the suede velvety material. It's gorgeous. And you could do this in a pillowcase depending on your profit, how much you want to charge, all of that. But this is a really great option on Printify. So again, with that same process here, we type in fall pillow, we go over to the product analytics, and we can see what these pillows are making. Personalized family name pillow. So as you can see, this one's making around $5,900 a month, and it's custom with family names. So you could do something like this, like I said, add in a name, family name, or more like this one has where it's the names all over it. Just something custom people can get in their homes. I think this is a great opportunity and a really great product overall. So another really fun custom one. You can have fun with it. I personally would take my own photos of this to sell because it's beautiful and such good quality, and I can keep it right with me. The next product I want to share with you is custom candles. So I know I've made a video about this before, I will link it for you, but custom candles are one of the coolest print-on-demand products. There are so many options now for them, but even when they only had one candle, I was just so excited. Custom candles are huge. Your customer can not only pick their personalization, but they can also pick different things like the scent. It makes for a more personalized experience when shopping, especially on a platform like Etsy. Looking at our Everbee tool here, custom candles, $3,100 a month. This one, $3,900 a month. Another one here, a selfie candle, $1,200 a month. So as you can see here, there are people making money in this. And again, it's not a very super saturated product. So it's a really great opportunity for you there. You can even think coming into Christmas, doing custom Christmas candles with people's photos on them. So like literally a family photo that you could put in to offer and print on a candle for a family. That could be their Christmas card. Really get creative here, guys. There are so many different options. Just do a little research, get a little inspired, and really go with this, because I'm telling you, custom products have so much potential during this time of year. So our next product are custom blankets. Again, you can find these on Printify, and what's so cool about these is not only having that custom aspect to it, which makes a great gift, but how diverse you can get with this. Printify has tons of different types of blankets, but you could offer baby blankets. You could just offer regular blankets. Get super creative with this. There's so many opportunities for designing, and it makes it so much easier when you offer that personalization because it's less designing on your part. So here we go. Customized photo blanket, photo collage, $6,000 a month from selling these blankets, guys. It's insane. It's so cool to me that we have the opportunity to do this. Here's one that is a custom text blanket where they can pick their color out. Again, adds even more to that personalization. $800 a month, still doing really good. Here's another one that is a custom photo blanket, $4,700 a month. I'm gonna just hop up to the product analytics here so I can just see them all right in front of me. So personalized blanket, there's one that's doing $40,000 a month. Got $59,000 a month. This is a kid's blanket. So again, the opportunities here to create these are endless, especially if you do a custom Christmas blanket. Maybe it has trees on it, but you add in the family name, or you add in the baby name, or it's a little Saint Nick blanket. You know, just getting into these different things that people find cute and holiday or gift, but adding that sense of personalization, it just takes off. So the last product that I want to talk to you about today is going to be custom plushies. So I did just do a video on this, but I love this idea so much. So these custom plushies are so cute and so fun. They're one of my favorite products to sell on Printify, and they're not super saturated on Etsy at all. Like at all. So here is where it says sending you a hug. So this just makes a great gift, whether someone is ill, whether you miss someone, just a thinking of you gift, or a get well soon, an apology. Think of how many sayings you can put on these cute little shirts, or even baby's first lion, baby's first bunny. Like, there are so many opportunities. And then what you would do is, if you want to offer it as it is, or add that personalization right at the bottom here with the person's name. So if I was sending this to someone, love Mac. Easy, done. But such a cute and fun gift that's unique. And of course, you can charge extra for any of the personalization that's being offered on any of the products that I'm mentioning. So as you can see here, personalized baby plush is what I typed in here. Again, it could be any type of custom teddy bear or custom plushie, but these ones are making around $7,500 a month. This one's doing around $1,000 for that same type of bear. Again, you would do way better photos than this here. This shows you how much marketing potential there is though on this product. It's getting views, it's getting sales, but see how boring this photo is. You could order a sample and take way better photos of this product to sell something like that, even if it is just a custom text. But I know this product has potential, so definitely something to keep in mind here. Now, something I do want to mention before I end this video here is that when it comes to custom products, typically with print on demand, this does require you to create a whole new duplicated product to have to go in and add the personalization all over on your own. But we have exciting news because now there's a platform that we can integrate with our Etsy shop and our print-on-demand suppliers such as Printify to make this custom personalization be automatic. So that's where Hello Custom comes in. They are again, integration that is going to automatically take that personalization that your Etsy customer types into the search bar and send it right to that print provider so that it's automatically done for you. If you've sold custom products before, or if you've seen my other tutorial here, it definitely can be a more tedious process. So this is giving the opportunity for a more passive experience when selling custom products, which is perfect timing for Q4. So of course that will be linked below for you along with Printify and all the products, and of course Everbee as well. I do have free trials, all the links, everything that will be helpful to you from this video will be in the description. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If it was helpful, I would love for you to leave me a comment or a like. It means so much, helps me know what types of videos you like on this channel, and I hope to see you in the next one.